Hello everyone, I will now show you the steps of how to draw an owl. First, in the upper part of the sheet, draw an oval lightly. This will mark the position of the head. Now, underneath, roughly mark an oval shape to show the body. From approximately the center of the head, just draw a wing like this. Here we can mark the claws of the owl. Now, regarding the tail, it will start somewhere around here and we will just mark a few feathers. We will now divide the face into quarters. From this line marking half, we will mark the position of the eye. Exactly the same distance away from the other side of the face, we will draw another eye. And then the beak will also be such that half of it is in one half of the face and the other half comes on the other. It's kind of like a small diamond shape. This is the basic sketch. Now from this point that divides the face into four, just draw V shape and from it just make it like this. So now this is the basic. Now we will draw some feathers in the wing. So it is like petal shapes and they are overlapping the layer below it. So you need to continue like this. Now here we will just make it into a tail, so there will be larger and longer feathers starting from here. Here also we can have some small feathers visible from the other wing. We can have some diamond shapes here. This will be the body of the owl. Now we can make the eyeball. The highlights. Now we can decorate the face with some feathers here. Now we need to draw some rings around the eyes. Especially it comes towards the lower part of the eye. Make sure that it is symmetrical on both sides of the face. Okay. Now we can erase all the guidelines. And if we are using this as the outline for a Zen doodle, you will have to use a thin black pen to outline the whole thing over the pencil lines, and then finally we'll have to erase the pencil lines once again. So we can erase all the initial guidelines that we had. Now we have used a thin black pen to go over our pencil lines, and once it is completely dry, then we can use an eraser to rub off all of the pencil lines. And then we can continue with our artwork.